Hi guys, another bicycle, details in the video description, and this is the dropped handlebars. From the looks of it, you have to bend them down. I suppose I could have read the instructions, couldn't I? So that's the alternative handlebars, but we've already got one like that. I just thought it'd be interesting to add to the set with one with dropped handlebars. I don't know if that's what they call them nowadays. That's what they called them when I was a lad, which was a long time ago now. I don't think this one's designed by the same guy as did the others that I did. But being as I can't remember his name anyway, it's irrelevant. Like I say, video description. Details in there. A link so you can download the same files and put it together yourself if you decide you like it. And if you decide you don't like it, I've done you a service by saving you having to download it and find out for yourself. What a wonderful chap. Quite peaceful this time of night. Pitch black outside. But amusingly, one of my solar rockers is running. But that's because it's attached to a solar garden light thing that charges up during the day and discharges at night. If you're interested in that sort of thing, drop me a comment and I'll give you a link to the build video for it. Or you could just search through my channel. I have playlists full of solar rockers. Right, I reckon that's all the bits. Pretty fair guess that that's going to be that one. Oh, that's going to be a bit painful, isn't it? Oh dear. Yeah, I might have to glue that one at the top. That's a good loose fit. Okay. I reckon that'll be the back wheel. That's the one to go in there, because the pedals go on there. Probably not doing these in the right order, but okay, so that's our pedals. So which one of these two looks like the front forks and which one looks like the back forks? I reckon that's the front forks. Interesting. I reckon that's the back. Like that. And then that one's going to fit in there like that. Yeah, this is a different design to the other ones I did. That's going to fit up there. As I say, we might put a bit of glue on there, otherwise you're going to get very uncomfortable. Yeah. Bit of glue on that one. Yeah, right. So will these just fold over or do I need to warm them up? Or will they break off as I fold them? That looks okay. Fits. Okay, oh, that's a little bit long on one side. Oh, bike stand. I think we might just trim that a little bit as well. Yeah. Okay. What do I do with the glue? There we are. Oh, come on. I expect I could just split it a little bit to force it apart. Get it on my fingers in a minute. Oh, that should do. So there we go. One more bicycle for my little collection. We'll go close up. And refocus. Get rid of that. If we move that over there a little bit, it'll look better in the thumbnail. That's a bit too bright. That'll do.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.